What's up guys, today's video is on the best portable dryers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Euhomy Compact Electric Dryer. If you're looking for an effective and user-friendly portable dryer, the Euhomy Compact Electric Dryer is our top choice. The 2.6 cubic foot model comes with a stainless steel drum, which allows you to dry loads as high as 9 pounds. This is around the amount of clothes that can put in the carry-on bag of a weekender bag. The dryer that is portable saves space compared to larger dryers. Its dimensions are 23.517 x 26.6 inches, and it weighs 49 pounds. You can put it in front of or over the washing machine. But it's worth noting that the unit has a wall mounting kit that can reduce floor space. This can be useful for those who reside in a van and you want to pay attention to pathways. Although it is smaller and cheaper than a conventional dryer, it has a variety of cycles that will fit your daily routine. Standard, smart, eco, and powerful. It comes with a 1440-watt heating element to dry clothes at temperatures of as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Magic Chef Compact Electric Dryer. Save your laundry room's quarters instead. Invest in this portable dryer for your home laundry setup. It's the Magic Chef Compact Electric Dryer can be utilized by external means or internally with a feature to purchase a vent kit. It has 2 settings for heat as well as 3 cycles of drying, and easy to clean lint filter and flexible configuration options. The dryer can take on the equivalent of 5.5 tons of washing in one load. This is smaller than its Euhomy Compact Electric Dryer or perfect overall choice. However, it still lets you use the drying rack or clothesline and reduces the time needed to hang each item. To properly care for your clothes, there are 2 heat settings as well as 3 drying cycles that are controlled by an electromechanical dial as well as a push button. You can open the door of this dryer's compact size and you'll see a stainless drum that has 1.5 cubic inches of room. Although the capacity is more smaller than the other top models, there's satisfying room for 2 bath towels as well as 2 hand towels, 4 washcloths, or even 2 complete work uniforms. Number 3. Black Plus Decker BCED 37 Compact Dryer. If you're worried that selecting the right portable dryer will mean having to settle for a small capacity load, take a look at this model from the company Black Plus Decker. It's the biggest capacity portable dryer we've reviewed and has a drum that is larger than the norm, that has 3.5 cubic feet, so you can handle bigger loads while enjoying quick drying time. The dryer is able to dry even heavier thick textiles, and its 1500-watt heater is much more powerful over the heaters and other dryers on our list. Sensor drying features warrant your dryer operates effectively without over-drying or under-drying your clothes. It is also possible to dry your laundry with the eco option on this dryer to increase energy efficiency. In all, there can be 4 dryer cycles as well as 3 temperatures: cool, warm, cool, and hot, plus a no heat opportunity. The dimensions of this dryer are 27.5 by 23.6 by 21.5 and weighs less than 50 pounds. It needs venting and doesn't have caster's wheels, which means it's not so portable as some options, such as that of the Whirlpool dryer, that can be stacked, are desirable for apartments pick. However, because of its weight saving and small dimensions, it's less difficult to move than large dryers. Number 4. Panda Electric Portable Compact Dryer. If space is at a minimum, it is possible that you are seeking not just an portable dryer, but also the smallest dryer. If you are looking for a dryer that is compact one, we suggest this electrical model by Panda. It is compact, being 19.5 by 16 by 24 inches, and it weighs less than 40 pounds. The capacity of the drum on this dryer is smaller than the other models with 1.5 cubic feet. However, this is satisfying to take care of the laundry of 2 or 3 people, provided you don't allow it to accumulate. Make a plan to dry a couple of shirts and other small items, such as a pair of pants or even a single sheet of queen-sized in a large load. One of the advantages of together this dryer is its flexibility in installation options. The dryer can be stacked or it is wall-mounted and can also be placed on a table or floor of your laundry room. The vented dryer may be vented by opening a window, or you can get a venting device for indoor use, in case you are planning to use the dryer in an area that has limited fresh air access. Number 5. The Laundry Alternative Ninja Portable Spin Dryer. Its laundry alternative Ninja Spin Dryer would be your best choice if you're in the need of a spin dryer to benefit reduce drying times for hand-washed laundry items or as a companion to an e-washer that can be carried around. The spin dryer is a low-energy alternative that spins at a fast rate to remove the moisture from your clothes, towels, and other laundry products instead of generating heating. The items that are dried by the spin dryer will be a little damp and will require to dry on the drying rack or on the clothesline. However, you can anticipate significantly faster drying times. Its stainless steel drum boasts an impressive load capacity of 22 pounds. However, there is an adjustment curve needed to manage a load to warrant that the machine won't shake or shake. The huge size of this drum ensures there's satisfying space to accommodate several sheets for bed or bulky items like downcoats. The spin dryer has the rate of 3.200 RPM. This allows it to extract water in an efficient but gently way with the force of centrifugal. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.